Ready to see what the internet can't stop talking about? These viral Temu kitchen gadgets are making cooking faster, cleanup easier, and everyday tasks way more fun. From clever prep tools to space-saving solutions, they're the must-haves everyone's adding to their cart. All products are linked in the description below. Measuring ingredients just got way easier. This adjustable spoon replaces a whole set of measuring cups and spoons in one clever tool. Slide the scale to choose exactly how much you need, whether it's flour for baking or coffee grounds for your morning brew. The clear markings make it simple to get precise amounts every time. Fewer utensils, less clutter, and perfect measurements in seconds. Hate doing dishes after every meal? This portable countertop dishwasher takes care of it for you. With its built-in water tank, you don't even need a direct connection. Just fill it up and press start. 5 washing programs handle everything from delicate glassware to greasy pans. The air dry function leaves dishes spotless and ready to use. Small in size but big on convenience, it's perfect for any space. Lunchtime just got a major upgrade. These stackable stainless steel lunchboxes keep your meals fresh and warm for hours. Each layer locks in securely, so you can pack different dishes without mixing flavors. Perfect for school, camping, or the office, and they come with a handy carry bag for easy transport. Durable, reusable, and built to handle daily use, your lunch is in good hands. Keeping your sink clean has never been this simple. This foldable stainless steel strainer hangs neatly in the corner, catching food scraps before they clog your drain. Use it to rinse vegetables or strain pasta, then pop in one of the disposable bags for easy cleanup. It folds flat when not in use, saving precious counter space. A smart little helper for any busy kitchen. Trash sorting doesn't have to be a hassle. This slim 3-tier bin gives you separate compartments to keep recycling, food waste, and trash neatly organized. The press-top lids lock in odors, while the smooth ABS body is waterproof, dustproof, and even pet-proof. 4 locking wheels let you roll it anywhere you need. It's a clean, organized solution that looks good in any kitchen. Cooking just got a whole lot more flexible. This non-stick cookware set comes with detachable handles, so you can go from stovetop to oven without switching pans. The non-toxic coating keeps food from sticking and makes cleanup effortless. Stack the pots and pans to save space, or pop them in the dishwasher when you're done. It's practical, versatile, and perfect for everyday meals or holiday feasts. Say goodbye to constant stirring and shredding by hand. This multi-cooker's built-in paddle does the work for you, evenly mixing and shredding while your food cooks. With 9 preset functions, you can whip up soups, stews, sauces, or perfectly tender pulled meat with ease. Its durable metal body is built to last, and the compact design fits any kitchen. Simple controls make cooking practically effortless. Tea time feels extra special with this clear borosilicate glass teapot. Its side handle gives you a comfortable grip, while the rotatable infuser lets your tea leaves release the perfect flavor. The heat-resistant glass stays crystal clear, so you can watch the rich color develop as it brews. Ideal for loose-leaf tea lovers, it's both elegant and practical. A cozy moment in a cup every time. Chopping veggies doesn't have to be a workout. This 16-in-1 chopper slices, dices, and shreds with interchangeable blades that handle everything from onions to carrots. The built-in container catches it all, keeping your counter clean and tidy. Swap blades in seconds to create perfect cuts for salads, stir-fries, or soups. It's fast, versatile, and makes prep work a breeze. Drying dishes just got more organized. This 2-tier rack gives you space for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils all in one spot. The built-in drainage system channels water away, keeping your counter dry. A side holder keeps glasses safe, while the extra drying mat handles larger cookware. Sleek and sturdy, it turns dish duty into a neat and tidy process. Pouring and brushing oil has never been this easy. This 2-in-1 glass dispenser lets you measure the exact amount you need with a built-in dropper, then spread it evenly using the silicone brush. Perfect for cooking, baking, grilling, or basting. It keeps your hands clean and your portions just right. The clear glass design makes it easy to see when it's time for a refill. Cooking doesn't have to be a juggling act. This foldable lid stand gives you a safe spot to park pot lids, spoons, or spatulas while you work. No more dripping sauce on the counter or scrambling for space. It stands steady by the stove or on the table, then folds flat when you're done. Light, sturdy, and always ready to keep your kitchen neat. Say goodbye to tiny ice trays that never make enough. This double-layer ice cube maker gives you 48 cubes in one go, perfect for parties, drinks, or meal prep. The food-grade plastic keeps it safe for everyday use, and the included skimmer makes scooping a breeze. Its large box stores plenty, so you're always stocked. Portable, neat, and ready for any chill-worthy moment. Keep your drinks perfectly organized and easy to grab. This beverage holder has dual-level dividers and a built-in soda can dispenser, so everything stays in place and within reach. Its space-saving design fits neatly in your fridge, freeing up room for other groceries. Strong, durable plastic handles daily use with ease. Whether it's cans, bottles, or both, your fridge stays tidy and ready for refreshment. Grilling indoors just got easier and smokeless. This multifunctional oven lets you roast, grill, or kebab without filling the room with smoke. Adjustable temperature control means you get perfect results every time, whether it's juicy chicken, crispy veggies, or tender skewers. The automatic rotisserie does the turning for you, and the non-stick parts remove for quick cleanup. Perfect for family dinners, even on rainy days. Seasoning just got smarter. This gravity-powered grinder starts working the moment you tilt it. No buttons, no twisting. One-handed operation means you can keep stirring with the other, while the built-in LED light shows exactly how much you're adding. Adjustable settings let you choose from fine to coarse, perfect for any dish. Sleek, easy to use, and a game changer for your kitchen routine. Fresh salads in minutes? Easy. This salad cutter bowl lets you rinse, slice, and serve all in one. Just add your veggies or fruit, lock the lid, and slice through the slots for perfectly even cuts. No extra cutting boards or mess. Durable, lightweight, and simple to use. It's perfect for quick lunches, healthy snacks, or easy meal prep any day of the week. Pour or spray. This oil dispenser does both. The 2-in-1 design lets you drizzle for salads or spray for grilling, all from the same bottle. Made from dark green glass, it protects oil from light to keep it fresh longer. Perfect for the kitchen, BBQs, or even on the road in an RV. Easy to refill, simple to clean, and ready for everyday cooking. Turn plain yogurt into thick, creamy, Greek-style goodness right at home. This stainless steel strainer uses an ultra-fine mesh to separate whey, giving you rich results without the fuss. It's reusable, easy to clean, and works for cheese, nut milk, or even fresh juice. Perfect for home cooks and food lovers who like to control every ingredient. Simple, versatile, and built to last. Drying dishes doesn't have to take up all your counter space. This collapsible rack pops open when you need it and folds flat when you don't. Separate sections keep plates, bowls, and utensils organized while they dry. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or camping trips. Easy to store, easy to carry, your dish duty just got a lot simpler. Keep your homemade dumplings, buns, and snacks fresh and organized. This 6-tier storage box stacks neatly to save space while keeping everything airtight. A built-in timer helps you track freshness, so every bite tastes just right. The clear design lets you see exactly what's inside without opening it. Portable, durable, and perfect for meal prep or freezer storage. It's a kitchen organization win. Tired of lifting heavy water jugs every time you need a drink? This electric pump does all the work for you. Just place it on top of your bottle, press the button, and water flows instantly. It's USB rechargeable, so no constant battery swaps. Compact and portable, it's perfect for the kitchen, office, or even camping. Fresh water anytime with zero effort.